Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your USB flash drive is not showing up in the My Computer or My PC settings on your Windows 11 device. So if it's not visible but you plugged it in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. So first thing I'd actually recommend doing, try plugging into a different USB port. That's something I would definitely try recommending as well. So try doing that first. And then also you want to check and make sure your flash drive is workable on other computers. So try if you have another device like another laptop, tablet, desktop, plug it in on that computer and see if that is resolving the problem as well. So you might want to take a look into that and see if it's just an issue with your one computer or it's just an issue with the flash drive. If it's just an issue with your computer, we're going to go through some steps of how to hopefully resolve it, and we're going to go and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the search menu, type in disk management. Best result should come back with create and format hard disk partitions. Go ahead and open this up. So while this tutorial is being performed on Windows 11, it will work for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 devices as well. So you're going to right click on what appears to be your hard drive here. It should have the name of the flash drive in here. You want to right click on it and select where it says properties. You want to select the tools tab, and then where it says error checking, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Select check, and then select scan drive. If there are any errors were found, it should hopefully have repaired them at that point. So at this point, if you're still having a problem, you want to go ahead and right click on the drive again you're having the problem with here. It should be pretty small compared to your hard drive, so that's one way you can tell if you're unsure which one's your flash drive here. So you're going to go ahead and right click on it and select change drive letter and pass, and then select the change button. Now where it says assign the following drive letter, I recommend changing it to a different drive letter than what was previously in there. And then you want to select the OK button. So it might say some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? Just keep that in mind if you've installed programs or using it as a directory for different programs on your computer, that this might create an issue here. Otherwise, if you're just using it purely for storage and you're not actually using any programs, you're not using it as a secondary hard drive on your computer, that's actually saving documents and stuff too. That's the biggest issue that could be created by switching the drive letter here. If that's not, relevant for you or that's not a problem, you go ahead and select yes. So hopefully that would have resolved the problem. So again, you shouldn't really be using a hard drive as a secondary drive anyway. It doesn't really make a ton of sense, but just want to put that out there. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. So hopefully I would have been able to resolve the problem. And if you close out of here, open up the search menu, type in device manager. Best result should come back with device manager. Go ahead and open that up. Right click on the top item up here, so it should have your desktop or your computer name. Right click on it and select scan for hardware changes. And then hopefully once you've done that, if you expand disk drives here, your drive should appear. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.